What's going on, my brother? First official, man. I'm doing this video, man. I'm doing something very unique, man. And this is specifically for you. The reason being is, man, my name is George Anthony Johnson. People call me Tony. I go by Disciple Tony. And I'm doing this video just to let you know, bro, that you inspire me. I get your emails. I read them. And so I'm doing this video for you to let you know, man, that I bought some tracks through the lease program. I'm a little guy, so I don't have much money, but I bought some tracks through the lease program, and we're working on building this site out. I got some media services, and I wanna exclusively offer you an invitation to be a part of Warrior Magazine, which is a concert and community magazine that I'm starting grassroots here in Houston, Texas. But because I'm using your tracks and because I'm using your music on some of my my art, things that you've inspired me with, and songs, I got plenty of these songs on here, and I need to put your credit on there as well. And so, like, this is the Daniel instrumental. I got something on that. These are all full songs. I got something on this His Likeness. I call it His Likeness. Beautiful song, bro. Golly, you just don't know. I want you to hear these songs, man. We need to do a Zoom, and I want to perform them for you. I just want you to hear them, the commentary. I'm 43 years old. I got a testimony, brother, and I want to connect with you, bro. So that's it, man. I just want to connect with you physically and just kind of break some bread. I'm in Houston, Texas. Last time I checked, I think you was somewhere in Boston. And anywhere I can help you, but I want to highlight you in this magazine. You know, I mean, the ads are $250. You don't have to pay for it. I have bought music from you, but I want to do this because I'm using some beautiful music that you created, and I just want to highlight you as a gift. My sales and the things that's gonna help us support this movement are gonna come through local Houston businesses that we are in the process of talking to. I just want to be a blessing to you and put your website, SoundClick, give me some kind of, we can do a half or even a quarter of a page. It's going to be an online digital publication, and it will be distributed here locally in Houston, and going to branch out and go into other markets because it's going to be digital. So we're going to be promoting on Facebook, Instagram, and so this is just a plan to really get the music out and get, I feel my music is a ministry, and that's why I go by Disciple Tony. So, brother, I know you got some kind of righteousness in you because the music inspires righteousness and things that I just want you to hear some of it. So, but God bless you, man. Not too long of a video, just 3 minutes. So first official, man, I think it's Derek is your name, because I be getting the emails. So I'm gonna go back and make sure. But yeah, Derek, man, I call you first. I just say, man, this man first is official for real, man. So first, hey man, brother Tony here in Houston, inspired, want to meet you. I'm reaching out. Check it out, man. God bless, man. I'm put the email together. Check out the video, and look, I'm gonna put my number in the email. God bless, and name and everything. And we can do a Zoom conference, and because I want to do a talent show here in Houston, and get some righteous arts together with the youth, and we're gonna be using a lot of your tracks. I got a whole lot more tracks that I purchased from you that I want to use, and on the lease program, and so I want to talk to you about that. And God bless you, brother. God bless.